guys. Today we're doing Hot Wheels Dirt Racing day number 2. If you didn't watch Hot Wheels Dirt Racing day number 1, go watch it.
If you haven't checked out our cooking video, go check it out because Thunder really enjoyed making it.
The first name that gets picked out the hat goes through to the next round. Porsche 911 GT2.
There we go. So, here are our matchups. We got the Lamborghini Estoque versus the McLaren Senna. Next up, we have the Pagani Huayra Roadster versus the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. There they are. Next is Bugatti Chiron versus Audi R8. Our next ones are Lamborghini Aventador J versus McLaren 720S. That's going to be a pretty close one. And the last one means Porsche 918 versus Hot Wheels Glass. So there are our matchups today. I'll bring them all together. Yeah, so this is going to be a fun one, and I hope you enjoy. The winner of race 1 was the Lamborghini Estoque. And the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo takes the win. And the McLaren 720S takes the win, and the Aventador J doesn't even reach the finish line. And the Bugatti Chiron beats the unfinishing Audi R8. And the Hot Wheels Glass takes the win against the Porsche 918 Spider, which again did not reach the finish line.
Here are the cars that have been eliminated, and these are the cars that will go to the next round.
That was our video, guys. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for day 3.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends.
Bye.
Bye.